Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Laingut ki samla ki bakantup yo Sagar Deorari u Rishabh Joshi baru Pankaj Bishit naga RS Group Nainital jongga jela Uttarakhand ki bala syangkeleng sya ki benta boper jongkari India ban yalap sya ki paj ba halor ke jingyada ya ke Mei Mariang haga laipo tarik u kelalengkot arajar arpo kila wan yuk gejat hanong ba Shillong ban persngau sya ki paj ba nong syok shnong jongkani ke jela ya kani ke juk ke kubo haga jingya keren bat ke Batesi TV Usagar Devrari ulayatho bakani ka kunhon kelas dangnya ke jingya lenti naganong ba Nainital Uttarakhand ban pendep ya ke jingya lenti ke bajalan hado khatsan hajar kilometer da ka babu ru ya ka thong ban thau ya ke rekod ha ka bayat lenti da ki bicycle ha barok ke jela jongri India bar kentup ru ha ki ri baper jong ke doba Asia kat kom ke jingya thu jong Devrari kini ki laingut kila pendep shwaya ke jingya lenti ha ki arteli ki Union Territory bat hado khat prateli ki jela ha ki nyu pesan sengi Haka laipu tarik u kelalengkot arjar arpo kani ke kenhon kan sami na Shillong ban tengpat ke jingya lenti sya ke jela Tripura bar sya ki wei ke jela jong thain chatai lamingi jongkari India.
My name is Sagar Devradi and this is my friend Rishabh Joshi and this is Pankaj Bist. We all are from Nainital, Uttarakhand and started an expedition of longest cycling in all over India in which we are passing our message that save earth free from pollution. It means that we must not use plastic, less use of plastic. We shouldn't carry from shops and all. So this message we are passing, and with this we are creating a record in India and Asia of longest cycling. We are seeing in all over India that there is a lot of plastic. We from the starting and till here. We saw a lot of plastic, and we tell to people like if we take break in lunch and breakfast time, so we tell them then don't use this and all, and from media through we do this. So there are a lot of obstacles like in every day we are feeling different weather because in some places they are cold, they are hot. Yesterday we were in Guwahati, there was quite warm, and today we reached at Shillong, so here is a cold, so it is getting quite tough for us. Today is our 76th day, and we have completed our 9,000 kilometer, and the people of Assam and Meghalaya are very well. We got a lot of help and support from them. It is very important for everywhere because everywhere we need to be fit, and people must not go into tobacco and drink and all. So we must cycling. Actually, from Guwahati, when we started our ride, so after 10 kilometers the mountains are started. So from there we are seeing that lovely mountains here, beautiful weather. It is quite cold now because it's winter time, it's obvious, but then too there's a very beautiful place, what I felt. Yeah. So we started from 6th November 2019 and will end in March, and from the day we started around 6 or 7, and after 20-30 kilometer we take our breakfast, then we again start our 40 or 60 kilometer, then we take our lunch, then in the evening time we stop, and somewhere we pitch our tent, and somewhere people help us, and we take sometimes hotel and lodges. We are going to Tripura site in that route, and after that we'll go Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal, and then back to Sikkim, and then we'll go to Uttarakhand. Actually, we have a group, RS Group, in Nainital, Uttarakhand. In this we do expeditions at all. Last year we did an expedition of cycling from Nainital to Leh Ladakh, and there is an organization Rent to Live in Nainital, so they are sponsoring us, they are helping us, and another is Firefox, so in which we are getting free servicing in all over India. I want to say to all that please avoid drinking, smoking and all. Just feel the nature with the cycling, because if we are riding cycling we don't get much speed. We slowly pedal, so and then we can see our nature. It's very beautiful. We must plant tree and all. This is very beautiful, so we must live like this. Yeah.